Can you do some welding? Do you do any fabrication work?
No, I don't.
None at all?
No.
Have you ever tried?
No, I never have.
No? All right. Well, I'm with the Fab School. You ever heard of the Fab School before? It's the metal fabrication and welding school.
Oh, really?
So we're actually doing free demos over here, teaching people how to TIG weld.
Oh, no kidding.
You want to jump in and try it?
Yeah, let's check it out.
We teach everything kind of from a motorsports perspective. So we teach roll cage construction, tube bending, notching, parts forming, working with aluminum, suspension theory, a little bit of machining, so mill and lathe operations. It's all taught in one school. We got somebody who wants to learn how to TIG weld.
You just hold the torch. Once that puddle forms, it starts moving. Okay. Pretty simple, right? Yeah. We got the puddle, start moving it. Put on. Alright. See how that's a lot more consistent?
Yeah.
So that's all you have to do. Once you form that puddle,
Start like dragging it.
yeah, and then what you'll normally do is you'll have filler rod. So with the filler rod, when you're moving that puddle, you just dab the filler rod on the edge of that puddle.
Okay.
Alright? Good job, man.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.